Hi guys, this is very important. This is a case that a lot of people are not aware of. Uh, it is called Donofrio versus Wells. Now, Leo Donofrio is a lawyer in New Jersey, and Nina Michelle Wells, is the Secretary of State in New Jersey. Now, Mr. Donofrio has derived this particular case um, um, based on a really different strategy from Berg and from Keyes and from what I can see all the other lawsuits. Now, at the present time, this lawsuit is it is, I believe, docketed with the Supreme Court, and he has been fighting this pretty much on his own now. And he's actually been sabotaged quite a bit by some clerk, actually in the office there, by the name of Danny Bickel, who has been acting as if he were actually the Supreme Court justice himself, and saying that the case was dismissed. In fact, I personally called the office of the Supreme Court, and they told me it had been dismissed, when in fact it hadn't been dismissed. So for some particular reason, these clerks, who are just clerical help, are acting as if they're actually the Supreme Court judges. So tonight I listened to him he was on Plains Radio, and he's an intelligent, extremely intelligent lawyer. And let me tell you what the basis of his uh, lawsuit is, and it really is really bright. It's very bright. It had to do with he's asking for an emergency stay application of the election. All right, and it's an emergency, and it's really based on the fact that actually the founding fathers originally said that there are only two categories of people who would be able to be president of the United States. In other words, they had initially envisioned that a person only of certain standard would be able to be president of the United States. All right. Now, number one, they would have to be natural born citizen. All right. And Mr. Donofrio describes that a natural born citizen would have to be born on American soil and to two American citizens. All right. So he actually says that the McCain is actually not eligible either. All right. Now, Barack Obama, as we all know, has admittedly on his Fight the Smears site actually admitted that he was a British subject. He was a British subject when he was born. He was given that British citizenship. Now, getting back to what the founding fathers said, the second type of individual that would be eligible to be president of the United States would be the framers of the Constitution. Now, this is important. They knew that they were British subjects. They knew that they were not naturally born citizens. But what they did in the actual specific wording of Article 2 was that they grandfathered themselves in. They grandfathered themselves into being able to be President of the United States. So there are only two types of people, natural born and the framers. Now we know Barack Obama is not 300 years old, all right? And he doesn't qualify as a natural born citizen. He was not born to two American citizens. All right. Now, Leo further explained in the radio show tonight that there are actually three types of citizens. There is a natural born citizen who's born on American soil and to two American citizens. Then there's the second type of a citizen by statute. That would be like John McCain. All right, not born on the soil, but to two American citizens. All right, and then there's a third type, and that would be a naturalized citizen. All right, so I believe that he has a very excellent chance here. Okay, and he's very well versed in this. I would definitely go to this particular website here. Okay, it's blogtext.org/naturalborn-citizen. I'll put the link on the side here. Please read it. Okay, and send a letter to Justice Thomas. He's now made an appeal to Justice Thomas. You'll see here that he, I believe, has an upcoming, or he had just sent this latest um, appeal to Justice Thomas. Okay, he has his tracking and confirmation by email here, and it was delivered too. So if you go to this website here, then you can get the actual docket number. If you do write a letter, make sure you put the docket number on there. Okay, and read the brief. Okay, and find out when he is going to be on the radio the next time. All right, and try to help him out as much as you can. Okay, all right, so thanks very much for listening, and I will be speaking to you again.